Hey, what's up everybody? Here's a quick little video on how to live stream to YouTube with a DSLR Canon camera. Alright, so we'll need three pieces of software. EOS Utility from Canon, Camera Live, and Open Broadcast software. Download and install all three of those pieces. Next, we will turn on our Canon camera as it is connected through the USB port to the computer. Once it is launched, we will open Camera Live. It will not recognize the camera, but this is a necessary step to make sure it will work. Just close the program after it has been launched, and also EOS Rebel software. Relaunch Camera Live. This time it will say active. You'll also hear the mirror in your camera move. Now we can open the OBS software. Under sources, we will add a new source. We're going to choose game capture. I'm just going to retitle this T6i. On the next window, select source and you'll see Camera Live, and select that and hit OK. I will expand the window to cover the whole streaming area. Anything in the right window is what you will see in the live stream. Next, we will launch web browser and go to our YouTube page and select live stream from the menu. As you can see, it is currently offline. At the bottom of the page, you will see a box, stream name / key. We will copy that and then open up the OBS software, as we will have to paste that into the settings to stream to YouTube. Open settings, go to stream, make sure stream services and YouTube are selected. The stream key you can now enter from the other page. Now everything is set to stream. Once you hit start streaming, it will stream live onto YouTube. There is about a 10-second delay. You are now all set to live stream on YouTube from your Canon DSLR camera. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and hit the thumbs up and the notification bell for notifications. Also, please feel free to leave any comments below.